Hi, my name's Jalai and it's my first time ever in Boracay. At grabe, ang dami palang things they don't tell you about this island. So if you're planning to go soon, keep watching kasi I'll share some things I wish I knew before coming here. When you think of Boracay, you think white sand, seafood, hair braids, and of course, henna tattoos. We found this really cool spot that even tatted Manny Pacquiao before. Plus, their artists are super nice. If you're like us, a group of girls who visited them in the evening, we honestly felt safe and cared for by them. But here's something they don't tell you. Some hotels are super strict about henna tattoos because the ink can stain towels or bed sheets. And if it does, pwede kang magbayad ng up to 4,000 pesos to 10,000 pesos na fine. So just check with your hotel first and be careful while it's still fresh. Number 2. Real coffee hits differently. Pero ironically, hindi coffee yung natry namin. It's their famous calamansi muffins. Sobrang sarap. Sadly, last day na namin siya nabisita, but sobrang worth it. Kung maaga lang namin nalaman to, we would have gone earlier and tried all their pastries and bought more to take home. Pinaka nagustuhan namin yung calamansi muffins and the oatmeal cookies. Next up, Smooth Café. It's tummy-friendly and super cozy. I can see why maraming tourists from other countries ang kumakain dito. They offer gluten-free and dairy-free options, which, let's be honest, hindi as common sa mga restaurant sa Pinas. I'm lactose intolerant, so sobrang saya to finally have choices. Plus the view, breathtaking. They even have live jazz music to pair with. We didn't get to eat here since it was our last day, but we did try their drinks. Number 4. Desserts, Halo Mango. Isa sa mga kapansin-pansin na dessert place ay ang Halo Mango. Pag nakita nyo yung display nila ng soft-serve mango ice cream topped with fresh mangoes, matetempt talaga kayong umorder. At dahil na-excite kami, 2 family size agad ang in-order namin. Pero, pagdating ng unang order, na-realize namin na hindi namin kayang ubusin lahat.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So along the strip, we found a group of friends who looked interested and we offered them our extra family-sized Halo Mango. They were super sweet and so grateful. So ayun, kalma lang po dapat tayo sa pag-order ng desserts. Number 5, Puka Island plus local vendors. Kung nandito na rin kayo, try island hopping. We went to Puka Island, super relaxing, and we also checked out the local vendors there. Yes, medyo mas mahal compared to some shops in D-Mall, but think of it as supporting local island sellers. You'll find handcrafted souvenirs and cute beach items. Plus, the beach is of course gorgeous. Okay, number 6, don't be fooled by the clouds. One thing my friends learned the hard way is just because it's cloudy doesn't mean the UV rays disappeared. Sunburn is real, guys. So aside from your sunblock, bring aloe vera gel. Medyo mapanil lang yung pagkakulimlim ng Boracay. Yung akala mong makulimlim, nakaka-sunburn pa rin. So aside from your sunblock, bring aloe vera gel. They do have beach hot vending machines, but we bought from a store along the strip kasi medyo urgent na yung pain nila and it cost around 650 pesos. There is Watson's where you'll find cheaper aloe vera gel alternatives. Number 7, local artist finds. You'll also find original art pieces in some stores at D-Mall. If you're into unique or handmade items, check these out. Perfect pasalubong or personal keepsake. Support local artists while you're here. Photo spot. And of course, take cute photos with your friends. There's this really pink building along Boracay's main road. Nasa Station 2 siya, malapit sa D-Mall. It's called Pink Moon or Cheese Moon. Dessert place siya at Photo Studio. It's so interesting because you can hang out with your friends, eat, chill, take photos, and they have a variety of props to choose from. May readily available din na mga plancha sa buhok if need nyong mag-prep before your photos. Number 9. Bar or club experience at Summer Place. Now, I'm not really a party or club person, but if you're like me who just wants to chill, have a drink, and enjoy the vibe, try visiting a bar like Summer Place. The crowd wasn't wild or anything. The music was very Y2K 2010s. I loved it. And the photos came out so good thanks to all the neon lights. So if you're after that fun yet chill nightlife and cute photos to treasure, this one's for you. Number 10. Clean air plus electric rides. Another thing that surprised me is how clean the air is here in Boracay. Most transports here are electric vehicles or e-trikes, so less pollution and less traffic compared to Manila. It's one of those underrated things that makes Boracay extra special. So that's it for my first time in Boracay, and before we end this video, I'd like to thank my friends and friends' family for spending this memorable event with me. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more travel content, and check out the rest of the videos in this channel. And comment below what's your favorite thing about Boracay. See you on the next one. Bye! Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, please. Thanks for watching!